after the brutal hill the other day, to get down to the Tarka Trail, we decided to go for the easy option. So we're going to jump in the van and we're going to go down to the other side of the river, and we're going to run along the nice section that goes towards Instow from Barnstable, which someone's told us is really nice. So we're going to give that a bit of a look and get a bit of footage to show you what it's like. So we just parked at the outs of the car park. Very handy for 3 hours of parking for free. And come straight out the car park and you're straight on the signpost for the Tarka Trail. You've got to cut under the underpasses going through here to get to the river, but then hopefully we're straight on it. Here we go. Bideford, National Cycle Route 3 and 27, and that way is back to the train station. And here's a nice little map of all the routes you can do from the train station. Off we go. So the signpost says 8.5 kilometres to Bideford. We're not going to go that far, but apparently it's a good bike ride or a run. And you go through Instow on the way, where apparently there's a very nice cafe, but I doubt we'll get that far today because we're on a bit of a schedule. So anyway, if you like the video, please click the thumbs up straight away. And even if you like this sort of video, or some of the cycling films we do as well, please subscribe to the channel. Get the first view there of the river. The tide is right in today, a bit different to the other day. Hopefully that looks nice. Shipwreck, the first one. So it's pretty straight. I guess it still is the old railway line. And you see the castle on the other side that we ran past the other day when we were tromping through the field of sheep. It's probably a bit far away on the GoPro. I've been super impressed in North Devon by the amount of cycle lanes and stuff near Barnstable and Bideford and coming around here. And if you're looking for nice safe trails to go on with the family, this is brilliant. You can see what I'm running along now. It's just the old disused railway, really good quality tarmac. It's not my kind of normal running surface because it's just straight line tarmac, but it's really nice all the same because you get to go through a few woodlands and along the water's edge. What's not to like? And you've got options going in different directions, or from Barnstable, and you've got the train station in the middle, so it allows you to string together loads of options for short leisurely days out on the bike or walking. One of the things you're going to see on the Tarka Trail is loads of the birds, and we've been seeing the oyster catchers, red shanks. I've also seen curlews has been coming along. Tarka Trail itself, it says, is 180 miles. Obviously described by the author Henry Williamson and Tarka the Otter. About 30 kilometres have been constructed as a cycling walking route, so it gives you an idea. It's a lot to explore. Whether or not the tide is in or out, it's beautiful. It's teeming with birds. The amount of fish as well is incredible. And maybe I'll see them down there, you may not, but it's absolutely teeming with baby fish. We've also seen quite a lot of bigger ones as well, jumping. So just approaching Framington, which is a little village along the way. A lovely kind of wall there. I can imagine this would be great for fishing or crabbing with the kids. Looks absolutely perfect for it, doesn't it? I don't know if you can see that at all, but I mean, it's literally teeming with fish. There's almost no gaps between them. Just breaking the surface and glimmering there in the sunshine, if you can see it. I really sport with the weather. It's been absolutely cracking. And there's also surf forecast for later in the week, so we're going to get a bit of decent surf action too. Isn't that cool? Another couple of tips to give you today. If you're interested in making running videos and vlogging on your trail runs like me, I'm using a really cheap foam windshield on the GoPro. Got it off eBay. I'll try and put a link to where I got it, but if you just search on eBay for foam windshield for a GoPro Hero 8, you'll probably hit upon the same thing I did. It cost me about a couple of dollars, it's nothing, pounds. Came from somewhere in Hong Kong or something. Took a while to arrive, but it's been one of the best things I've bought for my GoPro for the money, because I run with it and cycle with it when it's wet, and it pretty much knocks out the wind noise all the time. So it's a heck of a lot cheaper than getting a separate microphone rig and all that kind of stuff. The other thing I'm using for the filming is my trusty Manfrotto off-road short extension, which is a really cool, really lightweight fiberglass extendable shorty stick for the GoPro, and it's so light, it's not much more than the GoPro weight in your hand really, and so this is absolutely the best setup for me, because I don't want to carry a load of stuff around, but it allows me to get some interesting angles as I'm running along. I can use the different lens settings on the GoPro to get different perspectives. That's really great. What I think is really nice about the Tarka Trail is you can just kind of switch your mind off and just enjoy the nature and the peace and quiet and listen to the birds. You don't have to worry about where you're going. You don't even have to worry about how far you want to run, because you just kind of run as far as you want and then turn around and come back again. I'm sure for most people it's long enough so you're not going to run out of track. And sometimes that's all you need in a run. Just a nice simple trail, nothing to think about, just switch off, take it all in and enjoy. So check out the Tarka Trail, it's a great one if you want to chill out.
But you fade away, but you're happy. You fall and fade into the spray, fall into the wave. You try to breathe, but you fade away, but you're happy.